Hey guys, welcome back. You're with Jared Case from Learn BC. We've been in a series called Why Business Central. Before we get started, please like, share, subscribe, share the love. And today we're going to talk about analytics. And to be more precise, we're going to talk about Power BI. So let's get started. When we're looking at systems, a lot of people are already using Power BI, um, uh, in their businesses for other things. It's phenomenal. The amount of clients I come across, they're using different platforms, and not natively. They've had to spend significant investment in Power BI to get the system up and running. So going back into Business Central, the key thing here about Business Central is it is native. It's a Microsoft application, so it's sitting in cloud. It's already on platform, sitting within Dynamics. She's up to chart. It's a good platform to connect to. So when you're talking about the Power Platform, and so from Power Platform, we could be talking Power Automate. You've got Power Apps. You've got Power BI. I know Microsoft's gone and shuffled all the names of them now, and BI is now part of the Fabric end of town. But the whole platform is connected. So anyway, let's get on to, well, then how would I connect Power BI into Business Central? Here we are in a vanilla Microsoft environment. I've gone and installed two apps. It was really easy to do. All I've done is I've hit Get Apps. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for Business Central. And there's a bunch of reports in here that you can install. All right. We've got a bunch of partners that are here in this list, but what we're looking for here is, let's just, this CRM. We'll use this one. To install a single click, it's going to load. This is App Source. So if you've ever been to App Source before, it's like every Microsoft application extends into App Source. Get it now by clicking Get it now. And it's going to install this existing reporting tool that's been developed for the community. Now, the reason why I'm showing you this today, these reports that are here today are actually, they're probably a bit old. They're probably a bit average, but it is very cool, right? And it's out of the box, and the connectors for Power BI into Business Central are available as soon as you connect your data. So I've got to connect here this data. Let me just do that. You get the company name right and the environment name right, and we just hit next. It's going to ask us to authenticate. I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to hit sign in, choose the account, and let it go. And just watch this bar. If you've typed something wrong, and it's case sensitive, if you've typed something wrong, it will fail straight away and give you the opportunity to retry that connector. That's it. That's actually live straight out of that Business Central instance. And so it's giving me some dashboards and some data that we can use. And I can go back and I can look at finance. And so there's some finance reports that were created. And you've also got sales reports. There's a bunch of these reports that exist out of the box. Now, the reason why we're showing you this today is Microsoft has announced in a future wave, they've put significant investment into their Power BI dashboards, just for out of the box reporting for Business Central customers. And so it is actually coming. The other thing that you'll find within Business Central is you do have the ability to actually connect Power BI at your dashboard here. So I can say, hey, I've got Power BI. So just these are all hidden. I've got Power BI here. I've got Power BI there. So I'm going to drag this up. There we go. And I'm going to make it show. So we've got two. And I'm going to finish personalization. Next. That's it. So select reports for Power BI, and it's going to show me my reports that are already installed. Okay. So I can say finance. And where's my other Power BI? Here it is. I'm going to select. I just have to wait for this. All right. So this one's just loaded. I can actually then go select report and change my report. I'm going to go sales. Here we go. And there's my sales report just there. And I can hit next and it changes the tabs, previous. So that's pretty cool. And it's all, yeah, just straight out of the box. Now, excuse me, we've started loading Business Central top items sold by quantity. So as soon as we turned on the demo with Microsoft, it's come out with us straight away. So Power BI, expanding your Power BI, into your users' dashboards is where it gets useful. And thinking through the lens of, okay, what is easier? Is it easier to customize a dashboard and create KPIs as a widget on, the role center for the user? That's one way that we can provide data, or give depth through clicking into analysis information, and then they can pop that out full screen if they want to. They can drive into that report. Here we are. No, back to report. There's a button here somewhere that takes it full screen. So expand. There we go. And so now I get full access to that, and I can continue going through my report, etc. So it's kind of like you've got to choose your pathway for providing information to the user. I'm not going to get into AI in this video. I'm not going to get into the concept of synapse and fabric and analysis. There's a bunch of analysis features in Business Central that we haven't even touched on yet with our Y series that I'm going to get into. But all in all, that was pretty cool. I spun that up just now, these dashboards, up in a couple of minutes. Okay. You still have the ability to download them, to edit them. You can do what you would like with those. Not a problem at all. Just go crazy. So, yeah, why Business Central? Power BI native out of the box. Go to town. Have a great day.